Ever noticed how some people hug you instantly while others keep a polite distance? Touch means different things in different cultures. In some places, a kiss on the cheek is a warm hello. In others, even a handshake might feel too intimate. It's not about being cold or warm, it's about what feels respectful, safe, and familiar. Understanding this can help us avoid assumptions and connect with more care. Instead of judging how someone reacts to touch, we can get curious. Where are they coming from? What does safety feel like to them? Have you noticed cultural differences around touch in your own life? Feel free to share your experience or just take a moment to reflect.